we all like pretty curves and swerves. Like, just check this place out. It is a work of art. But trying to measure out can make me scratch my head, give me a bit of a headache. If I'm using a tape measure, for example, there's going to be something lost in that measurement process because of the straight lines. What I'm going to use is Moasure, a motion-based measuring device that has the ability to measure straight lines, swerves, curves, arcs, the lot. So I'm going to do a little section here for you, and I'm going to go to open shape, place it down here, and I'm going to transition, switch the path type from straight to arc. We're ready to go. Let's get my second point, which would be about here. Place it nice and snug in to the edge of the bridge. Then go along to my third point, and you can see just about now when I place it down that we have a very subtle but well-defined arc. You've got the radius on there as well. To do the next section, we have another option to measure a swerve or a bend. I'm going to switch over to trace, and now I'm just going to hug the outline and trace the edge of this whole arc all the way around. Place it down about here. This is just for demonstration purposes only, but you get the idea. And there you have it. I'll stop it. We have two ways of measuring an arc, a curve and a swerve. But look, we've got way more information than just the measurements that you see on the screen. If I go to 3D, can you see that? You can see the elevation difference. Just to prove it, I'm going to select a point and we get the X, the Y and the Z. Z referring to the elevation. If I move it along to the next point, can you see that the Z value begins to climb, signifying the rise in elevation? If I go to the bottom and select cross section again and go to the top, we can see that the length, the rise and the run is on there. Do a deep dive into cross section and we get the gradients and the angles, all of that. Just from like, how quick was that? I think I talked a lot more than I measured, but Moasure did it in next to no time at all.